Two powerhouse payment platforms. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Braintree, seamless payment gateway backed by PayPal. And on the right, Wise, fast, low-cost international payments. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's what's on the table. We are comparing these two across global reach and currency support, fees and pricing, integration and developer experience, security and compliance, payouts and mass payments, and those all-important use cases. I'm going to keep it super clear. You'll know exactly where each one shines or falls a little short. All right, first up, global reach. So Braintree honestly covers a ton of ground. Over 130 currencies, 45 plus countries, plus you get that sweet native PayPal connection. But, yep, there's a but. If you're heading outside PayPal land, it starts to feel a bit clunky. Currency conversion? It's pegged to PayPal's FX rates, and let's just say those margins add up fast. Wise, meanwhile, this thing's built for multi-currency life. You can send, receive, and hold funds in a bunch of currencies, and you actually get local bank details for big currencies like GBP, Euro, USD, all that. But you can't use it to accept card payments or PayPal for clients, which, let's be honest, is a deal breaker for store owners. Still, for sheer global money movement, Wise takes this round. Okay, now let's talk money. Literally. Braintree keeps it simple for US merchants. Think 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. And if you're a high-volume business, you get interchange plus pricing. Not too shabby, right? Well, until you hit foreign transactions or try moving money with Amex or ACH. Fees can spike real fast. And you'll notice PayPal's FX markup. Wise, though, is kind of famous for their mid-market exchange rate. No sneaky margins, and no monthly fees or minimums for US users. The catch? There are some fees when you send money internationally. And if you want to hold certain currencies in your Wise account, you might pay a little. But overall, Wise gives you more bang for your buck in 2025. Let's shift gears. Integration. So this is where Braintree basically flexes. Their API is pretty robust, works for web and mobile, handles subscriptions, marketplaces. Basically, if you want PayPal, Venmo, or even Apple and Google Pay, it's all here. The only downside, onboarding is a bit more effort. You'll need a merchant account, and if you're not living in PayPal's world, things get a little less flexible. Wise, on the other hand, is great if you need to pay out lots of people with its batch transfer API. Think freelancers or contractors. But, and this is a big one, it's just not built for those classic online checkouts. So if you care about slick payment flows, Braintree definitely wins this one. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Wise actually moves money using local transfers and the real exchange rate, instead of those inflated ones. That's how they keep things so fast and cheap. Kind of genius, right? Security time now, because we all want to sleep easy, right? Braintree, rock solid. PCI DSS Level 1, PayPal's fraud defense, the works. Is it as fancy as Stripe on fraud stuff? Maybe not, but it's darn close. Wise is regulated up to its eyeballs. FCA, MSB, you name it. Both keep your money and data safe. No question. Honestly, let's call this one a tie. Okay, payouts, massive deal if you have a global team. Braintree does let you pay people, split payments for marketplaces, that kind of thing. But here's the catch. Everything relies on PayPal's infrastructure, so it's not always lightning fast and can feel a bit limited if you're scaling worldwide. Wise, though, the batch transfer feature is kind of wild. You can pay up to 1,000 invoices with one click. Rates? Way lower for FX. Drawback is it's not technically a payroll service. You have to set things up yourself. But still, for payouts on a global scale, Wise just makes it smoother. All right, use case showdown to wrap things up. Braintree is your classic payment gateway, perfect for e-commerce, SaaS, subscriptions, even physical shops who want to take cards or PayPal. But if you're trying to save on small international transfers, not so much. Wise is a lifesaver for businesses managing global teams, freelancers, small biz folks sending or holding funds everywhere. Just don't expect it to plug into a typical online checkout. So, both totally kill it. It just depends what you need. If you're a visuals person, imagine our radar chart. You've got Braintree crushing it in integration, holding strong on security and checkout stuff, while Wise just expands way further with global reach, payout convenience, and awesome pricing. So what's the takeaway? If you want full-on online checkout, the whole payment experience and PayPal perks, Braintree is the way to go. But if you're always wiring money abroad, juggling currencies, or managing a remote crew, Wise is going to make your life so much easier. Don't pick one because you feel you have to. Pick the right tool for what you need. If you want more fintech deep dives and honest breakdowns like this, make sure to follow for their next one. Seriously, you won't want to miss